Hello everyone, hope you're doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create table using HTML. So sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Let's say that we have a store, not an online store, but a brick and mortar store, and our job is to create a table of operation for our store which we can best represent with a table on our website. So to create a table, we'll use a pair of table tags. We have opening table tag and closing table tag. To add a row to our table, we can use a pair of tr tag. We can write tr tag. And let's say we have two rows, one for the days of the week and other for hours of operation. You can copy this tr tag and paste it here. We have two rows here. This first row for the days of the week and this other for the hours of operation. So within the first row, let's add some headers using th tag for table headers, and I'll list the days of the week within th tag. You can write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to Friday. I'm going to write them. Save and refresh. So to add another headers, just use another pair of th tag. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Let's save and refresh. Tables headers are inherently bold. If you would like to add some data to the second row, we'll add some td tags between the tr tags for the second row. So we would like to add some data which is td. We need an opening td tag and closing td tag for each cells. Let's pretend that our store is open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 and closed on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. This first cell is for the first day, Sunday the first column, so we are closed this day. Let's copy our table data element. This will be for the second row, Monday, and we are open 9 to 5. And let's fill this in for the days Monday through Friday. Copy and paste. We are closed 9 to 5. Then copy and paste it to Friday. Save and refresh. And then Sunday we are closed. Alright, let's color in these cells. I'll make the first row a dark gray color. So to change the color of the first row within the opening tr tag, we are going to write beige color. Beige color stands for the background color, equals, and type the color name in the double quotation. Any color name that you know, you can write it between the double quotation. I'm going to write the gray. Gray is a color. Save and refresh. You can change this gray color to cyan. Save and refresh. These are the colors name. Let me clean this td tag to fix with the first row. And our second row, let's make this light gray within the opening tr tag for the second row. I'm going to write the beige attribute equals, type the color name in the double quotation. I'm going to write light gray. Save and refresh. Whatever color you want, it doesn't necessarily that have to be gray. So within the table opening tag, I will set the beige color equals, type the color name in the double quotation. What about black? Save and refresh. Cool. These cells are left aligned. We can center them. To center the cells within the row, within the opening tr tag, there is an align attribute. We can type the tr tag, the align, and your text must be and center. Save and refresh. Here is. And the text is now centered. And lastly, let's make all of these cells to the same size. This Wednesday cell is taking up a lot of space. Let's set the width equal to 100 pixel. And I'll just copy and paste it to all. Save and refresh. Now the size are same to all elements. So if each cell has a width of 100 pixels and there are 6 cells, I will set the width equals, type the pixels in the double quotations. I will type 600 pixels. Save and refresh. All of these cells are now aligned. So yeah, that's how to create a table in HTML. Just use a pair of table tags for each row and a pair of tr tags. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button, leave the comment below and subscribe.